Hey guys, welcome to a paper airplane tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make this almost traditional dart paper airplane. If you want to see the underside of it, then there it is. And what happens when it starts spinning is these four wings come out and it basically falls, which is extremely useful if you don't want it to go super far. So I'll be showing you how to make it. So first you want a regular sized piece of paper, US of course, and you want to take it, you want to fold it in half really good, and you want to unfold it, and the center crease should be a mountain. The center crease should be a mountain right here. Now you want to take this left piece of paper, or right, or whatever, you want to take it and you want to fold it to the center. Then you want to take this other one and do the same thing. Then fold the center crease the natural way. Oh wait, no. Sorry. Then you want to do that again. Sorry, I kind of messed up there. Then you want to fold the center crease in the natural way, and so it should look something like this. And now you just want to fold the wings so that it looks like an arrow, and it flies pretty good. And I would put together some fly footage of it, but I'm using a webcam, and my webcam doesn't allow you to do that, so please hit the subscribe button, and hopefully that will do it. Get those views up. Your likes, comments, subscribes, and views are very greatly appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching.